Is your vehicle running rough and giving you a P005C code? This can be frustrating, but understanding the problem is half the battle. This code tells us there's a performance issue or a stuck-off condition in the camshaft profile control circuit, specifically on bank 2. Let's explain how this system works so you can understand the fix. Inside your engine, the camshaft spins to open and close the valves. In a standard engine, the valves open the same amount every time, but in your engine, the manufacturer included a variable profile system. This allows the computer to change how far the valves open or how long they stay open based on how you are driving. It's like having two different engines in one, an efficient one for cruising and a powerful one for passing. This switch usually happens using oil pressure to activate a solenoid, which then engages a different part of the rocker arm or cam follower. When code P005C triggers, the computer sees that this switch is not happening correctly on bank 2. Bank 2 is a side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. The code specifically mentions performance or stuck off, which means the system is failing to engage the high lift or alternative profile when the computer commands it to. The symptoms of this issue are usually pretty noticeable. Since the engine cannot breathe the way it wants to, you might feel a significant lack of power, especially when you try to accelerate hard. The engine might feel flat. You will also likely notice poor drivability, maybe some hesitation, and a drop in your gas mileage. The power bands will feel altered, meaning the car just does not pull the way you are used to. While you can still drive the car, the severity is medium. It's an internal engine system involving hydraulic pressure, so ignoring it could lead to more complex problems down the road. It's best to address it sooner rather than later. What causes this? The number one enemy of this system is neglected maintenance. Because the system uses engine oil as a hydraulic fluid to push components around, dirty or contaminated oil is a disaster. If there is sludge, it can block the tiny screens in the solenoid or prevent the mechanical parts from sliding freely. Another common cause is the oil control solenoid itself failing electrically or getting jammed with debris. Electrical issues are also possible, such as a broken wire leading to the bank 2 solenoid or a short circuit. Here's how you tackle it. Your first step is always the oil. Pull the dipstick. If the oil level is low, top it up. If the oil looks like tar or is very dark, you need to change the oil and the filter immediately. Make sure you use exactly the viscosity listed in your owner's manual. If the oil is too thick or too thin, the hydraulic pressure won't be right to activate the mechanism. If the oil is fresh, locate the bank 2 camshaft profile control solenoid. Inspect the wiring harness connected to it. Look for any signs of melted insulation, broken wires, or a connector that has wiggled loose. Sometimes the tabs break off. Using some electrical contact cleaner on the pins and connections is a great idea to ensure a good signal. If the wiring and oil are good, the solenoid itself usually needs to be replaced. Taking care of your oil changes is the best way to prevent this code from ever coming back. Catch you in the next video.